Good morning guys. Dear friends, today you are going to learn new English grammar topic, that is conditional clause. You know that condition is always expressed by the word if. If is used to express the condition. So it is also called if clause. Clause is a part of the sentence and there are two parts of the clause, main clause and a subordinate clause. Main clause is always having its own meaning and subordinate clause is depend on the meaning of the main clause. So in this unit you will learn how to use conditional clause. There are four different kinds of conditional clause. The first kind is zero condition. Zero condition, this clause is used to express scientific facts or general truth. And the sentence format of this conditional clause is you have to use if at the beginning. After if, simple present tense. Then put the comma and again use the simple present tense. Means to express the zero condition clause, you have to use 2 times simple present tense with if. After putting comma also you have to use simple present tense. Take example. If you heat ice, it melts. Heating of the ice is a scientific fact, scientific truth. So if you heat ice, comma, it melt. Means here heat ice, you heat ice is a simple present tense. Again comma, it melts. This is the result of heating of the ice. This is a scientific fact or general truth. Again you express in the simple present tense. Second sentence, we will turn over the second sentence. If demand rises, its prices rises too. Means that if the demand of the project, if the demand of the product is rise, automatically the price will also rise. This is the general truth. So how will you explain this general truth? That if the demand rises, comma, simple present tense, and its prices rises too. Means the result of first sentence is depend on the second sentence. So this is the general truth. So to explain such type of facts, we use zero condition. This is the first kind of the conditional clause. Now dear students, we will turn over the second kind, that is condition 1. Condition 1, this clause is used to express the future situation or high probability, where the probability is more. Sentence format of this condition 1 is you have to use if in the beginning, if plus simple present tense plus simple future tense. What is different in the first kind and second kind? In the first kind, we use simple present tense 2 times. In the second kind, we use simple present tense 1 time, then comma, and then simple future tense. See the example. If I see her tomorrow, comma, I will speak to her. If I see her tomorrow, I will speak to her. In this sentence, the first sentence is in the simple present tense and the second sentence is in the simple future tense. Or we can take example, another sentence, that they are late. How to use condition clause in this sentence? That I will not let them in if they are late again. Means you use the simple present tense in the first clause and simple future tense in the second clause. So with this way you can explain the condition 1. With this way you can explain the first kind. With this way you can explain second kind. Now we will turn over the third kind. Dear students, now we will turn over the third rule, third condition, third kind of the conditional clause, that is condition 2. See the use of this condition. This is used to show imaginary condition, unreal condition, the condition which is not true. We will explain this condition with the conditional clause with the help of if. See the sentence format. If plus simple past plus would do. If plus simple past plus would do. See, I don't often see her. Change this example with the condition 2. If I saw her tomorrow, comma, I would speak to her. If I saw her tomorrow, I would speak to her. You have to put comma here. Means if is used at the beginning, then we use the simple past tense. I saw her. Simple past tense. And again in the second clause of the sentence, we use would to. I would speak to her. So the answer is, if I saw her tomorrow, I would speak to her. Now see the one more example. I don't think anything will change. I don't think anything will change. This is a very easy sentence. You can change this sentence with the conditional clause by using if. If anything change, we would not let you know. If anything change, we will not let you know. So this is the answer. So with this way, you can use this sentence format to change the sentences of the conditional clause in the third kind, in the third rule. So we will turn over the fourth rule, that is condition 3. This is the last rule, last kind we can say, condition 3. This condition 3, this kind is used to show probability. Commonly, most probability means the incident may happen, incident may take place in the future. See the example. I didn't see her yesterday. In this sentence, how to change this sentence in this conditional clause? If I had seen her, I would have spoken to her. Or they were not late last night. They were not late last night. Change this sentence into the conditional clause, that I would not let them in if they had been late. Or if they had been late, I would not let them in. So this is a very simple use of conditional clause. Commonly, if is used in the conditional clause, and there are 4 different kinds of conditional clause. Again, I will explain. The first kind is zero condition. The second kind is condition 1. Third kind is condition 2. And fourth kind is condition. All those kinds, if is used, and simple present tense or simple future tense or would do is used. Thank you, my dear students.